like and subscribe that button. I don't know what I'm going to do today. I'm just going to say hello to the people.
No, not to me. What does it?
Say hello to the people.
No, I don't want to be in your YouTube.
Shut your mouth.
No. She's not short in the face.
So must we go now? Now can we have some bacon? Mama?
No, you're in the function alone.
Now can we have some bacon?
I'm doing it for you, bacon and whatever.
Oh, with tomato sauce. So yeah, guys, tomato sauce in us and it's ketchup. God. I can't wait. Eat breakfast in your way. So you can literally see your face there. Guys, you know that video now? That video where you guys like see Ronaldo and stuff. That video where the man wears that black thing, that black cap and that black mask. It's my cameraman what is holding you. But you guys can't see his face. I will like show you like when I'm posting a video, guys. Okay, here's this boy with this black and mask and thing. I will show you his video things and stuff, and I will take his phone from his hand and show you. Go to Disney World. There's Elsa and Mickey Mouse. Guys, I don't know what to do. My mom is making me very good. Very good. So guys, like and subscribe to 50. And after that, then I can live stream. After that, you guys can chat to me. Can they chat? Oh. So can I respond also? Oh, like I show speed. Oh yeah. Oh. If you want to talk to me, just talk to me, guys. And say your name, guys. Because what about this my friend with this live stream? If you're watching this, I hate you. Not you, Litavo, the other Litavo, what love you at the top. And Irina Shayk. I hate you. Why did you break up with Ronaldo even? Actually, why did you cheat with Ronaldo?
Johnson.
Now with Ronaldo. Ronaldo have a beautiful wife then. You are an ugly wife. Now Jordina's a better mother than you. So yeah, don't. And whoever you're dating now, you can also go cheat on them with somebody. And Ronaldo, if you're watching this is for you. I love you. So yeah, you are my best soccer player. And yeah, I hope you also like and subscribe to my channel. And Ronaldo Jr., if you're watching this, I hope you're watching. I can't say it. Ronaldo Jr., if you're watching this now.
1.
We're back, guys. It's just my cameraman. And Ronaldo Jr., if you're watching this, I want you to be my. I don't know how to say it. Say it. Okay, never mind. I will say it. Ronaldo Jr., I want you to be my friend. I want to move to wherever you love. In Germany, because I know you live in Germany. Is it? Would I live in Germany? Because I hope those people is lying. You know, because YouTube can definitely lie. Because I just guess they don't live in. Can you see now? Look here. People say now. And now they live in Germany. And now they live in United States. And now they live in Japan. And now they live in South Korea. And now they live in Russia. all the other countries. What?
Snap.
For what? Okay, I'm gonna watch my YouTube video when you post it. Guys, it's raining. We don't have water. Our toilets stink. And it's raining. Look here, lost. It was on Tuesday. No, it wasn't on Tuesday. It was on Wednesday, guys. Wednesday. Can you see now? It was just nice in school day. We didn't have water. It was only our foundation base water that was on. Because our toilets, the boys' toilets and the girls' toilet wasn't connected to a pipe. It was connected to a tank, the JJ tank. If you guys don't know what is JJ, it's a tank, or what you call that in America? We're back, guys. We're back, sisters and brothers. So yeah, it's called a water tank. If you guys know it's a water tank. A water tank. So yeah, but we call it in South African a JJ tank. So yeah, guys, our water didn't run out because our pipe was connected to the JJ tank. So yeah, and after that, when it came, we only had first break. So now when it came to second break, you can sit down. When it came to second break now, yo, I didn't even have a second break, guys. We didn't even have a second break. We just went out 12 o'clock, a half day of school. And in fact, my teacher said, Namil, your mom is gonna come pick you up at 2 o'clock. But there was one problem. My teacher said, Namil, your mom said you must climb the 2 o'clock bus. And I thought she said, your mom is gonna come fetch you at 2 o'clock. So I said, okay, my mom's gonna come fetch me at 2 o'clock. So I went down, waiting. The bus left, the 12 o'clock bus, because they don't own the bus people. Over there, the 2 o'clock bus came.